Hello and welcome back to Clustertruck. My name is Murdoch and let's get back into this game because I'm so fucking excited. Right, I've just double checked and we do continue from the last point we left off. Whoa, what is up with the frame rate on this? Okay, Jesus, right. Maybe it's just the level's a bit chaotic. Let's try and get past this as quick as possible so the video doesn't look like shit. Ah, right. Or it would help if I wasn't just completely shit. Right. No. Fuck. Right. Let's try that again. This game, man. You can either be really fucking badass or just suck ass. It's horrible. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about slow motion. Should use that more often. That's it. Hey. What are you doing? Stop it! Oh, right, okay. I think we're in the clear. Ah! I second guessed. Should never second guess. Oh, just believe in yourself. You gots to believe. Oh, fuck! I failed in slow motion. Right, let's fucking do this. What is wrong with me? This game should be called Cluster I Suck at making jokes. Oh, yeah. Right, definitely need slow motion for this one. Oh, right. Oh. Oh, I haven't made it! Oh, God. Oh, tell my mommy I love her, I've made it. Oh, Christ. Right, let's hope the frame rate's a little bit better for this next one. And it is. The other one was just, what the fuck is going on? The other one was just really laggy. Fuckers. Moved it away. Damn it. This one looks like it's going to be an absolute ball ache. Where are you going? Right, in there. And there. Oh. Could he do it? No. Wow. That gets pretty hairy very fast. Yeah. Over this way. That's it. I think slow motion will come very handy here. Apart from this bit. Oh. Holy shit. I made it. Just stay still. Oh, fuck me. Whoa. Half of my truck didn't go up to the... Fuck. Right. This one is gonna suck. You, yes you. You. I just kind of sat there and accepted fate. Got to head through the throbbing butthole. Hey! Oh, I can't believe I made that. Oh, getting too cocky. You're getting cocky, kid. Ooh. And as I should be, I'm a fucking man. I'm the man who fucks everything up. Who? You bastards! It seems to be that the trucks crash at random. Crash at random, so it's very hard to predict. I made it! I don't know how the fuck I made it, but I made it. Oh, Christ. And then immediately fuck it up. Right, I've got to be really quick with this one then. Okay. Holy shit! Oh. You. I don't know where I was going. Concentrate. Concentrate, Murdoch. Concentrate, Murdoch. Concentrate. I'm obviously not concentrating. Even though I say it enough fucking times. Oh! I just went flying out the back of a truck. Right. I think we're at a safe bet here. I think we're okay. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be fine. Just stay on this. Shh. Yes. Yes, you're my truck. You are my fucking truck. Yes! Absolutely. Dance up. Okay. Same layout. Different obstacles. I think I'm okay on this one at the moment. Can I get to you? No, I can't. Because he blew up. Ah, fuck. I was thinking I was going to make that and just be like, yeah, I'm a hero. I need a hero. Running across trucks, because that's all I know. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh. I think I might be okay. I might be okay. Yeah. I am a hero. To myself. Okay, same. Oh my god, they've just thrown it all together. Oh my. Holy shit! That was pretty cool. If I could have landed that, that would have been best clip ever. Would have been the title of this video. Best cluster truck clip ever. Oh! 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 Yes! Oh! Right, that was the best clip ever. That was fucking chaos, and I still kept it together. Kind of, but shh. Don't be specific. We've got this. What have we got now? Okay, same layout again. What's up? Oh, right, okay. Pistons come up from the floor. Fuck. And then I had to go and spoil it all by doing something stupid like sucking at the game. But my face was a picture there. Ah! Bollocks! Ah, I keep landing on the... What's going on? Let's do this. Because we are fucking... shit. Or shit. Not we, sorry. You guys are great. It's me that's shit. My god. As evidenced by the following. It's not the shooting up of the trucks that gets me, it's the coming down. See? Perfect example. Whoa! Fuck! Inhale! No, that would have been so cool. That would have been so good. I would have got praise on YouTube. No! Come back! Ah! Balls! That truck just left me. He was my friend and he left me. We used to go to school together. We used to be friends. We used to play hopscotch in the park and make cookies together. That would have been... I keep on saying, that would have been the best clip. That would have been the best clip. There's a lot of moments like this in this game, and that's why I really enjoy it. There's a lot of those chances to be a badass. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, that was cool. No, you bastard. Oh. Bastard. My panic kind of helped me there, and I was like, no. I think this is meant to resemble like London Bridge. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, I think it's meant to resemble London Bridge, but you know, without I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to concentrate and I'm completely fucking up. No, 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 no. Can you give me... Excuse me, sir? Sir, can you please move? You dick. Oh. Please, 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 please. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. I never felt so good about my life. Oh, sweet Jesus. Right. We'll give this level at least a couple of tries before... What the fuck? Oh my god. Now they've put everything in it. They've put everything in it. Okay, you can use those platforms. That's good to know. This truck's just sitting here. Ah, I should have waited. Everyone's dead. They're all dead. Oh, fucking piston coming down again. Maybe I should wait on this one. Right, that seems to be a good one to wait on. No, it's not. Right, okay, a little bit further ahead than that. You're my winner. Oh, that kills you? Oh, fuck off. Kiss my nards. Yes you. You are mine. I choose you. Fuck. How did they get all the way up there? I fucking did it! I wish you could replay it. Sorry, spitting fucking everywhere. I wish you could really replay all the levels, like just to see what you did. Oh! Oh no, is that the end? Oh. I beat the alpha in 43 minutes and 27 seconds. Oh. Fucking hell, that game is amazing. Definitely gonna keep on playing this off camera, but until then, there's gonna be no more until it comes out in the fall. God. Oh, it's so much fun. I want to play more. Oh, well done developers. That was fucking awesome. Right, I'm gonna leave a link again in the description to play this game because you really should fucking play it. It's fucking awesome. Just realised that my mic's casting a shadow on my chin. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave me a like or subscribe, or both. Both would be muy bueno. Is that even a word? I'm just making words up. I'm sorry. Thank you. And was there anything else? Okay, bye.